Hey, this is artsketchdesign. Your warmest welcome to this series. I appreciate your presence. To learn sketching or any skill you want, before starting your painful suffering due to your wrong approach, first learn how to learn it. That's why there is a famous quote called everyone can draw. By considering they know how to learn drawing, yes, this quote is true. This episode is about freedom, stopping restricting the hand to draw freely and your mind to generate creative things. Episode is inspired by Super Mario Effect given by Mark Rober. Do check out this beautiful TED Talk. So let's get started. What it takes to draw a beautiful sketch. There are 4 things responsible in this process of achieving a good sketch. Those are mindset, skills, knowledge, experience. A good sketch is a result of better development of those factors. Let's talk about mindset here. Before starting sketching, first empty your mind and be relaxed. You can listen to music if you like and dance if you want. The goal here is to achieve positive mindset as it creates a huge impact on sketching process. Get rid of the fear of failure and be prepared to redraw the wrong sketches even it takes a million attempts. It's exaggerated, but you got the point, right? I just want to say that don't quit even if you don't get results in early stages. Let's talk about skills here. Well, if you want to develop your skills, you must practice sketching. Practice makes perfect, you all know that. No, practice makes permanent. Practice never makes perfect. Practice only makes permanent. So, if you want to develop your skills, you must practice correctly. So, let's see how to practice correctly. To practice, you need any paper and a softer pencil. Remember, the quality of sketch doesn't depend on the quality of materials. So any material would be fine. I am using 5B here. The practice I am going to tell you is specially for design sketches, and if you are a student preparing entrance exams, it will helpful for you. First, grab your pencil and hold it at a comfortable distance and start drawing long parallel straight lines using your shoulder. Give your hand a decent amount of freedom. As you practicing, vary your pace. First start drawing quick straight lines, then slow your pace and start again quick straight lines. It helps to create a nice muscle memory. After practicing straight lines, move towards ellipses. To practice ellipses, draw 2 straight lines like this, divide 2 straight lines by another straight line, and divide 3 straight lines like this. This straight line over here is our horizon line. We will get back to horizon line as we learn perspective in later episodes. Then start drawing ellipses in this section. Make sure to keep increasing the minor axis as we move away from the horizon line. To draw ellipses, I would suggest don't draw in one stroke like this. Draw over and over again to get a proper shape. Same goes with a circle. Draw a square using 4 straight lines and try drawing an ellipse into that square. This square is in perspective, so it has 2 diagonals. One is longer than other. The longer diagonal of this square should be the major axis of an ellipse, while the shorter diagonal is the minor axis of the ellipse. Then try drawing an ellipse. Make sure it should touch the center of the 4 sides of the square. As we learn the placements of ellipse in perspective, you will see the importance of this process. Repeat this process several times. Well, that's what practice is. You can draw cube if you want and start drawing ellipse in that cube. Don't worry if you don't know how to draw cubes in perspective. We will see after we will learn perspective. Drawing ellipses takes a lot of time, so don't hurry. Patience is the key here. Start finding ellipses in the day-to-day world. Just look at them. Look how they look. After ellipses, start drawing curves randomly. Be free and be creative. Don't demand conscious control on curves early on. As I said, it takes time. While practicing, don't worry about what you draw. Just dirty the page. And always remember, lock your wrist and draw with your shoulders. Let's see our third factor, knowledge. By practicing, you are training your hand and developing your skills. But you must know how to use your skills. That's why knowledge comes here to fill the void. I will cover this part in further episodes. Besides the fact that this is my first series, I am putting a lot of efforts doing it. So the activities like liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting will be appreciated. So do it, guys. After that, just free your hand and start enjoying drawing. I hope you like this episode. Meet you soon.